guys, I thought you were guys going to do perfect. Okay, now it's your turn. I know. Okay, you get some help. Grandpa Pig, my best minion, better than you dummies. Okay, where are you, my trustful minion? Okay, sir, I need you to help this worst pig. Okay, sir, you'll do. Okay. Oh, master, I gotta hurt it. I'm not gonna hurt it. I don't want to hear your whining. Just stop saying things, okay? Okay, master. Oh, stop. How many times do I have to tell you stop, drop, and here? Sorry. Okay, let's just beat him. How's he gonna do, master? I already told you. Perfect. Okay, master. Okay, so how are you gonna build this? Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in the build. Okay, good. Whoa, look at all this build. Even that. Okay, so how did we do? We did perfect. Now we need to call the kingdom. But okay, I'll join you. I'll be right here. Okay, I'll wait you. I'll wait for you. Okay. Come on, I don't want to call this guy, but I need to call him. Remember what the boss said? I know. Call Tom and Ben. Okay. You call him. I don't want to call him. Oh, okay, fine. I'll call him. Okay, there you are, Ben, and the retarded guy, Tom. I like boogers. No, I like peanut butter butts. Just get in your cell. What's a cell? Is that some kind of butt? Just get in it. Let's go over there, okay? Let me put you there. There you go. And the one I most like, Ben. Ben, can you protect us? Okay, no problem. Okay, get in the guard room. Yeah. I'll call the whole entire kingdom. Okay, master, tell me how you think it look. Okay, let me see. Okay, everyone, get in your blocks. Okay, this time you're gonna find a second egg. Everyone, get over there. Get all the stuff. Get over there. Okay, you're gonna guard. Gonna be guard. Wow, these are a lot. King Pig, you go back there. Oh yeah, and the builder goes with King Pig. Okay, good. Okay, Red, go get one. Okay. Red, what? Red, that was lame. Again. Let me show you how you real fight someone. That's that. I almost break the wall, but good thing I killed them. A pig.
Hey, Blues, you have your brothers?
Yeah, I have my brothers. Okay, me first, brothers. Me first. Okay. Tony, wait for me. Oh, and I'm on Trail Blues.
Trail Blues?
I know. My real name is Trail Blues. And that's Toe Blues, and the other one's Tony Blues. The three of us. Okay, I'm ready.
Like this blue and that blue.
Okay. And we get stronger and stronger. Okay, Toe Blues, your turn. Okay. Oh. Ha! You can't even get it. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Okay. Man, how old is your Tony Blues or something? He's 28. 28? You're 5 years. What about Toe? He's like, he's 8 years. Okay, that's good. No, my turn. My turn. Okay, this time I can do it. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Good thing I knocked it out. Okay, Red, I don't have enough bubbles.
Just have one at the bottom.
Oh, fine.
Let's do
Red,
the pigs.
I feel like I'm gonna respawn. Oh no, Stella disappeared. Okay,
No,
okay.
it's two more pigs left at the bottom.
Now what? Now what? Okay. Dude, you need to clone yourself now.
You already said that in the other video.
Oh yeah, but you need to clone yourself.
Stop! I just get one.
No, do not do it right now. Don't do it right now, just in case. Just do it just in case. Okay. 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 Okay, Terrence, your turn. Okay. Take that, you retard. I'll take that retard.
Oh, hey guys, I killed myself.
Okay, well, where are you? Oh, here I am, guys. We're in another mission.
You have to kill the pigs.
Actually, I have a new power because I told my my dad if he can give me an upgrade, but he did. He gave me an upgrade. Now I can beat up Tony. Okay. Anyways, let me just go.
Anyway, Tony's 8 years.
No, that's Toe. That's Toe. That's the lame woman. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now.
Mine's only 5 years.
I know. Okay, Bubbles.
No.
Okay, Bubbles, go. Bubbles? Sorry, guys. I'm already here. Okay, now, puff yourself. That was so much Bubbles. Okay, Bubbles. Oh, Bubbles, no, calm down a little bit. Okay.
Get the pig.
No, we lost. Okay, my turn.
No, we didn't. Like, the pigs are doing what you mean.
No. Okay, let's go.
Kill the
I got another power. We're going to space. Guys, we're going to space. Okay, let me run. I'm gonna get my DNA and get more pigs. Okay. Be safe, guys. Okay. I'm gonna be so hard in the next video. Come on, Craig. Let's save ourselves. Okay. Okay. Finally, all the pigs are gone. Got some pigs saved. Okay, let's get the eggs. Alright, now give us that egg. Thank you for this egg. Now we have 2 eggs, guys. Hey, King Big. Okay, I'm gonna tell. Be quiet, you red
the space.
Okay, give me the royal coin. Okay, I'll give you the royal coin. Take that, I beat you with my royal coin, and it's gold. Okay, good. Now take this. Okay, yeah. Take that guinea pig. Yeah, you better. Okay, guys, let's go on level 3.